Hi students, let us start today class. Today we are going to see exercise 3.3 third one. Okay, see. Find the GCD of each pair of the following polynomials. It is given. Okay, two polynomials and whose LCM it is given. So using these two polynomial and LCM, we want to find the value of GCD. Okay, the value of GCD. So see solution. First given expression you write. Okay, given. First you choose. Let's f of x. First polynomial choose f of x is equal to 12 times of x power 4 minus x cube. In that, if any common term is there, first you take common term, or else you want to factorize means factorize. Okay, one or want to take common term outside, or else want to factorize, or else apply the formula. Okay, these three steps want to follow. Here common term is possible, so x power 4 x cube. So which one is common term? X cube. So you are taking x cube, remaining x minus x cube went outside, remaining one is the meaning. Okay, so this is a factor of this f of x polynomial. Okay, next g of x 8 times of x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square. So in that you see here also 8, here also possible to take common term outside. What is the x power 4 x cube x square. So all the one x is there, so x squared is common. So x squared you are taking outside, remaining here x squared, x power 4 x squared means remaining x squared minus 3x, because x cube 1 x squared went outside, remaining x plus 2. Okay, 2x squared went outside, remaining 2. Now 8x squared, what is this factor of this? This is a quadratic polynomial. So want to factorize. Here this 1 is the meaning. Yes, 1. So 1 2s are 2. So see here 1 2s are 2. 1 into 2, 2. 1 2s are 2. Whether add means minus 3 want to come. What is the factor of this? 1 2s are 2, but both also used to put minus. Then only minus 1 minus 2, add means minus 3, multiply means plus 2. Okay, up want to multiply, down want to add. So now this is the factor of this. So what is the factor? Minus 1 minus 2. Then means getting factor minus 1 you should divide by x, minus 2 you should divide by x. Okay, shortcut method, because here x square coefficient 1 means 1x 1x want to divide. Therefore 8x squared x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is the factor of this polynomial. In this polynomial, factor is quadratic polynomial factor is x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. So see, now this is f of x, g of x, and it is given LCM. So LCM is, what is that? Given LCM is 24 x cube x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, so all the one you should write. First two polynomials you choose f of x and g of x, then LCM is given, that you should write. Next you see, so we know that relation. What is that relation? Relationship between LCM and GCD. LCM and GCD is f of x into g of x, or else first you should write first LCM into GCD is equal to f of x into g of x. Product of two polynomials is equal to product of LCM and GCD. Now you should, we need here GCD only we need. So GCD you want means f of x into g of x, multiplications of LCM will go this side, divided by LCM. This is a GCD formula. Now you should substitute now. What is that? This equal to, first f of x, what is that? F of x is 12 times of x cube of x minus 1 into g of x is this 8x squared of x minus 1 into x minus 2. Continuously you should write. Okay, whole divided by LCM. LCM is, what is that? This is LCM. So LCM is 24 x cube x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, so all the one you should substitute. Two polynomials and LCM you should substitute. Now what will be cancelled? You should cancel this x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2. Numerator and denominator, what will be common? Common terms you should cancel. Next you see here x cube will get cancelled. Then here 12 table 24 is possible. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Next 2 table 8 is possible. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Okay, cancellation want to do pencil. Yes. Then after that remaining terms now you want to write. So denominator nothing. Then numerator is, what is the remaining numerator is? Here 1 4 is there. Cancel means 4. 4x squared of x minus 1. Yes, 4x squared of x minus 1. Is this GCD? Remaining term is, it is called GCD. So given polynomials used and we received that GCD. Okay, that's all. See, next second point, GCD only want to find. Here two polynomial is given, that two polynomial you choose and LCM is given. So using that relationship we will find out GCD. Okay, see solution. First given polynomial you choose. Let first polynomial f of x is equal to x cube plus y cube. So we know the formula. Yes, this is a cube plus b cube formula. A plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, use formula a cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, then next g of x. G of x is equal to x power 4 plus x square plus y power 4. Yes, in that this also want to factorize. Okay, here one hints want to use. What is that you see? First x power 4 we can change into x squared to the whole square plus x square y squared we can change xy to the whole square. Next y power 4 we can change into y squared to the whole square. Okay, next this we can compare x squared plus y squared to the whole square. So we cannot compare because a square plus b square plus 2ab want to be there. Okay, 2ab means what is that? Plus 2, a place x squared is there, b place y squared is there. Yes, but here only one time only x squared plus y squared is there. Yes, so see a square plus b square plus, okay, 1ab only is there, 1ab. Actually formula we want to come 2ab. Then means what want to do means, so instead of that, while changing like that, automatically this plus you change into minus. So minus of xy to the whole square. Minus of xy to the whole square. Okay, so now this expand. Okay, we will get x squared to the whole square plus y squared to the whole square plus 2ab. In that 1 minus x square whole square separate means you will get these steps. Okay, then means this step is equal to this step. Okay, so see in this step you can write it like that. Okay, here this hints, want to use hints, so that in this before step as it is I have convert and wrote, in that we can change and write like that. Okay, here plus is changed into minus means these two steps will be equal. Okay, because we cannot write x square plus y square to the whole square, we cannot write. While writing plus is automatically changed into minus. So this step is equal to this step. Now why I have converted like this means, because see now you consider this is a. Use a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. This you know this identity already. Yes, so that I took here this is called a, this is called b. That means a square, a plus b, a place is here a is equal to x square plus y square and b is called xy. B is called xy. Now substitute means we will get x square plus y square plus xy, then a plus b into a is x square plus y square minus ab. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, therefore g of x factor is this. Okay, down this only g of x factor. Next, LCM is given. LCM we can write as it is. So here LCM is equal to x cube plus y cube of x square plus xy plus y square. This is LCM. Now relationship want to use. Yes. Now relationship between LCM and GCD. Relation is okay. Directly we can write GCD is equal to what is that formula? F of x into g of x divided by divided by LCM. Okay. Now you substitute. What is f of x? What is g of x? So this is equal to f of x is what does that means? X plus y of x square plus xy plus y square. Yes, this is f of x into g of x. G of x factor is now only if I got it as x square plus y square plus xy into x square plus y square minus xy. Okay, this is a factor of g of x. Now next step, whole divided by LCM. What is that LCM here? LCM is x cube plus y cube of x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay. So see now this what will be cancelled? You should cancel it. Now this is you see here x squared plus xy plus y squared is this and this will get cancelled. Now next step here. Okay, remaining this and this we can convert into. So or else you see f of x no need to find factors, as it is we can write, because numerator x cube plus y cube, denominator x cube plus y cube will get automatically, it will get cancelled. Okay, or else this we can change it as f of x, you can change it as x cube plus y cube, as it is you can write into this is g of x factor. Okay, suppose you factorize and you substitute, you cancel, at the same answer only you will receive. So that I have written as it is f of x. So f of x into g of x is x square plus y square plus xy into x square plus y square minus xy. Now see here x square plus xy plus y square, x square plus y square plus xy, this both also same only, so it will get cancelled. This x cube plus y cube, this x cube plus y cube will get cancelled. Remaining answer is x square plus y square minus xy. This is called GCD. This is called GCD. Okay, that's all. So here two polynomial is given and LCM is given. Using this we received as GCD. Okay, that's all. See next fourth question is what does that means? Given the LCM and GCD of two polynomials p of x, q of x, find the unknown polynomials in the following table. In the table it is given first LCM and next GCD and one of the polynomial p of x. Usually we will use f of x. Okay, so already I have explained this. Any polynomial we can choose any letters. So instead of p of f of x, here they have chosen p of x. Then we want to find one more polynomial q of x want to find. Okay, so see solution, it is easy. Now first given terms you should write given LCM a cube minus 10a square plus 11a plus 70. So it is a cubic polynomial. Yes, it is a cubic polynomial because power 3 is there. So then means you can factorize this polynomial. Then factorize means we will get 3 factors. Yes, so we know quadratic polynomial I want to factorize using factorization method. Yes, that is easy. Now here this cubic polynomial I want to factorize by using synthetic division. Yes, 9th standard you learned. Yes, so using synthetic division you want to factorize, then we will get it as a 3 factors. Okay, So I will not use that method. I will go some other method that is easy. Okay, you can follow that method, synthetic division and factorize and substitute. We will receive at the same answer only. So instead of that, I will go with another method. Okay, so LCM I have written as it is. Next is GCD, here what it is given, a minus 7, that I have written as it is. Next is P of x, a square minus 12a plus 35. This is quadratic polynomial. Yes, so quadratic polynomial we can use, we can factorize. Okay, but I'm not factorizing this. I will keep as it is. Then want to find q of x, want to find q of x. So we know that what is that relationship is what does that means? Here p of x into q of x is equal to LCM into GCD. Instead of f of x g of x, we used p of x into q of x. But here we want q of x means LCM into GCD divided by p of x want to come down. Yes. Now you substitute. Now LCM. Okay, you should substitute. What is that LCM? Here a cube minus 10a squared plus 11a plus 70. Okay, then into GCD is a minus 7 whole divided by, okay, then denominator p of x is a square minus 12a plus 35. Okay, now this how want to cancel, you see. So in the denominator it is given quadratic polynomial, numerator cubic polynomial is there. Yes, so these two first you should divide. This cubic polynomial and quadratic polynomial first you should divide. Okay, here divide means easily will get answer. So you should divide. Now using division, long division method. Okay, division method, a cube minus 10a square plus 11a plus 70, you should divide by a square minus 12a plus 35. Usually division, what is it? Suppose here 3 into 13 whole divided by, okay, now sorry, here 33 divided by here 11 into something 9, like that is there, means what you will do, 11 table you will cancel this 33, yes or no? At the same only I am doing here, this polynomial I am dividing like that. Okay, so divide means first here a square, here a cube, then means a only want to multiply, a into a square only a cube, first term always you want to make it as same, so that first a square you should multiply with a. So a into a squared, a cube minus a into 12a, 12a squared plus a into 35, 35a. Next want to change symbol, plus here minus. Okay, plus means minus. First term can get cancelled. Here 12a squared plus 12a squared, 10a squared goes 2a squared. Here minus 35 plus 11a, it goes minus 24a, then plus 70 want to come down. Now next step, you see here 2a squared, here only a squared is there, then means you should multiply with 2 plus 2. So 2 into a squared, 2a squared minus 2 12s are 24a plus 2 into 35 70. So minus, here minus change into plus, here plus change into minus. So all terms it's get cancelled. All term it get cancelled. Yes. Therefore here remainder we received as 0. Then means here this a cube minus 10a square plus 11a plus 70. This factor is what does that means? Quotient and divisor you should multiply means we will get it as this. Then means this factor is a plus 2 into a squared minus 12a plus 35. Okay, this is a factor of cubic polynomial. Factor is this. Okay, therefore this value is substitute now. Therefore q of x is equal to first factor. Yes, LCM factor is this. You substitute instead of that, a plus 2 into a square minus 12a plus 35 into GCD is a minus 7 whole divided by that LCM is, what is that here? Sorry, here LCM is GCD divided by P of x. P of x is, what is that? A square minus 12a plus 35. Now see, numerator and denominator the same quadratic polynomial it's came. Yes. So this both the quadratic polynomial will get cancelled. So that only first itself I didn't factorize this. Yes. Quadratic polynomial I didn't factorize. Now this quadratic polynomial it gets cancelled. Then remaining numerator 2 factor is there. That is the GCD. Okay, that is answer. Therefore a plus 2 into a minus 7. Okay, this is the remaining factor. Therefore q of x is, what is that? A plus 2 into a minus 7. This is the answer. So q of x polynomial want to find, so that q of x we received. That's all. See next fourth second point. Okay, fourth one second point. LCM and GCD, one polynomial q of x is given. We want to find p of x. Okay, see solution at the same only. Before some how we did it at the same. Given first this LCM you should write x power 4 minus y power 4 of x power 4 plus xy plus y power 4. Okay, so this x power 4 minus y power 4 we can write as it is. This we can change into x squared to the whole square plus xy plus y squared to the whole square. Okay, then see, sorry, here question is x squared y squared. Okay, not xy. So here x squared y squared. This factor is plus x squared y squared plus y power 4. Now this we can change into x square y square we can change into xy to the whole square plus y square to the whole square. We did. Where we did this? Before some third one we did. Okay. Third question we did the same. So x power 4 minus y power 4 right as it is. This we can change into x square plus y square to the whole square. Automatically plus is changed into minus xy to the whole square. Okay, this use hints. I explained this. So that this step we can write it as like that. Now this x power 4 minus y power 4 into this a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is LCM. Then next you see GCD. GCD is as it is x square minus y square, right as it is. Next q of x. So the same x power 4 minus y power 4. This x square plus y square minus xy, right as it is. Now here we need to find p of x. Find p of x. So we know that yes, p of x is, what is that? So see the relationship already know that. Yes. So p of x is equal to LCM into GCD divided by q of x. Yes. Now LCM, this is a LCM. X power 4 minus y power 4 of x square plus y square plus xy of x square plus y square minus xy whole divided by, sorry, into, this is LCM into GCD. GCD is x square minus y square whole divided by q of x. Yes, here q of x is, what is that? Q of x is x power 4 minus y power 4 of x square plus y square minus xy. Now see numerator denominator what will be common? Common term you cancel. So this and this cancel. X square plus y square minus xy. This will get cancelled. Remaining x squared minus y squared into this x square plus y square plus xy. Okay. This is called p of x. Another one polynomial. So see this is the answer. Okay. That's all. So using LCM and GCD, one polynomial q of x we received as a p of x. Okay, that's all.